Minister.
Yes, let's see. We are all gathered here.
See you. Oh, wow. This is so special. Thank you.
Good to see you too. Yeah. The Prime Minister and the Cabinet had given me the endorsement for signing. But I think at the outset I must thank you and the Government of Australia for all the assistance that you have provided for us in the past, and your continued assurance that you'll continue to provide us the assistance. This is a huge bonus for us and has a lot of impact, as I have discussed in our recent meeting, an impact to our local dwellers. For those in the isolated areas that don't have any access or opportunity to any commercial activities. And we have reset our focus to try and deviate this social benefit to our rural population so that they benefit out of this. Hopefully, as we are just collaborating our efforts, we wanted to have some pre-embarkation lectures, the way we get the Ministry of Trade and Commerce and also the Ministry of Agriculture to come and talk to our workers before they go to New Zealand, the seasonal workers. They give them the opportunity and what is available when they return. I think it is important for our workers to understand that the amount of money that they are able to save within the time they're in Australia, they are able to come back and make some effort to establish some small backyard business or small farm, which will create a flow-on effect to their friends and relatives in the villages and settlements. So again, thank you very much for coming here, not only coming here, but for giving us the opportunity to be able to send our seasonal workers to Australia.
My absolute pleasure, Minister. Thank you for having me here. It's all about collaboration. It's been great working with you through this, and before that with your predecessor, the now President, Georgia Kinroche. It's about hard work and it's about people helping themselves, and I just can't think of a better way to move forward together. And it's all about doing things that Fijians are good at and that Australians need, and that's just a very natural nexus. So I'm really pleased to be here today and to make official what we announced a while ago, which is that we've uncapped the limits, and as many Fijians as Australian employers can link up with can come to Australia to work as seasonal workers.
Thank you, Celeste. I think I might add on that you've opened the doors in Australia. Now we're having problem of satisfying our labour needs here, so we have
sorry about that.
That's okay. So that we turn out enough people to be able to, there's a boom in building industry in Fiji, to turn out enough people that are sufficient to supply our demand here, and also have the access to send to Australia. So we're trying to figure that out, hopefully within the next month or two.
I think some creative thinking, particularly on things like you say, high seasons and low seasons.
On
work.
tourism, yes.
Flexibility, looking at where the troughs and peaks are, we can work some intelligent ways through that. Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Minister.
Thank you.